Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm doing 10th class Real Numbers Chapter 1 Telangana State Syllabus. So before going to start our class, let us have a small explanation about a proverb. The proverb says, rolling stone gathers no mass. What is meant by rolling stones, children? The stones which roll like this. When they keep on rotating, they just move to some distance, that's all. But no mass will be attached to it. Only the thing that it might have taken place to it is its surface becomes smooth. So mostly in the river, along with the water, the stones will move. So in all those cases, they don't gather mass. So if you compare this rolling stone with your mind, if you have a rolling mind, what is the meaning of rolling mind? Wavering mind. Wavering mind thinks one way in once, again immediately it thinks about other thing, immediately it thinks about other things, means it has no constancy. If it has no constancy, it cannot perform anything. If the mind is working for something, it should think about that only. Then only the perfection comes. This wavering of the mind happens, children, when you are not regular to your work. As students, I should talk about your studies only. If you, and of course you are in 10th class now, your time is very precious. If you don't plan your studies properly, on one day you feel that I have this, I have to study this, I have to study this, I have to study this. This many are there. I need to learn. I have accumulated a lot of things to learn. If you start feeling like this, your mind is thinking about that only, but it will never help you to learn the content. That is why, children, you should not make your mind to roll down like that. That means what? You should train yourself. You should train your mind in such a way that it should concentrate and focus on the thing in which you are doing. You have 2-3 works to do. Give priority. Which one has to be done first? Then next what? Next what? In that priority, if you go, when you are doing the first one, don't think about the other things. What you are doing, concentrate on it. Then say, children, how well your mind will help you to understand the contents. Okay, children, let us come back to the topic. The topic here is, this is a Tamil Nadu State Syllabus, 10th class. I am doing real numbers. Now, in this real numbers, I started with exercise 1.1. But I have done up to 3 problems, and fourth one I have not done, and I have even said that these are lengthy problems and very important problems. These important problems, 6 marks question, essay type question, you are getting in many papers. Right from 2015, I have collection of the sums, children. In that, I have found many times these problems have come. So, problem by problem, I am dealing with it. If it is lengthy, I am doing it. But children, don't think that it is hard problem. I said it is a lengthy problem, but easy problem. You can very easily solve this problem. Only the thing is, understand the content. Listen, I will try my level best to make this problem very understandable. In case if you have any doubt also, you can put it in comment box. I will explain you once again whichever part you wanted an explanation. So let me come back to this. Now this problem is dealing with the division of algorithm. Use division of algorithm. The problem is, this is the fourth problem. Use division of algorithm to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Cube. In the earlier problem, we have done for square. Now we have to think about the cube. So we know that we start like this. Let A be a positive integer. Okay. Consider A as a positive integer. Then what is Euclid's rule? Euclid's rule says that A is equal to B cube plus R, where 0 less than equal to R less than B. This you have been doing it. Now, what does the problem says? According to problem, cube of the number is equal to either it is 9m or again what he said 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So when you write a cube of this A, you should get only these three is asking. Now we can say that B is equal to 9 now. This value you have to take 9. So R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 7 we have to go because R value is less than B. So up to 7 you have to go, children. So one by one I am doing concentratingly listen to you. Listen about this, children. If we take R is equal to 0, then what is A, children? A is equal to 9Q plus 0. That means A is equal to 9Q. Now we want A cube. A cube is 9Q whole cube. In this, I can take out one 9 as common. Then what happens, children? 9 cube. This cube is for 9 as well as for cube. So 9 cube out of 9 cube. 9 cube means 9 you are multiplying 3 times. 1 9 I have taken it out. So I am getting 9 square cube I am getting. So I can consider this as 9m. In this we consider 9 as m as 9 square. So we have got that A cube is equal to 9m when R is equal to 0. So I'll write it here because it is a lengthy one. R is equal to 0 means what you have got? R is equal to 0 means A cube is equal to 9m we got. Okay, one by one I'll keep it here because afterwards I have to explain you the total answer. So I need space for it. In this space only I'll be doing and I'll be rubbing, children. You copy bit by bit. Okay. Now, if R is equal to 1, then what is A? A is equal to 9Q plus 1. What is A cube, children? 9Q plus 1 whole cube. A plus B whole cube. You have done in your previous class about A plus B whole cube. What is the formula for A plus B whole cube, children? I'll just write it here. A plus B whole cube formula is A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. This formula we are using in this problem. Already you have done it, but just for the sake of revision, I have written that formula. That is the formula which we are using here. A plus B whole cube. A means 9Q plus B means 1. So what should I write? Expansion A cube. That means 9Q whole cube plus what else? 3A square B. 3 into A is 9Q whole square. B is 1 plus 3AB square. 3 into A is 9Q and B is 1. B square plus B cube. that is 1 cube. Now children, in all this, let me first expand this. Same thing I'll write, because if I keep on multiplying, it will be a very lengthy values you will be getting, you may confuse. So I am keeping it like this only. So let me write it as 9q whole cube plus 3 into 9q square into 1 plus 3 into 9q into 1 square plus 1 cube means 1. Now children, I am taking this whole thing as a group. In this group, each and every term has got 9. So I am taking 9 out. So when I take 9 out, what am I getting here? 9 cube out of 3 nines, 1 9 has gone here. So 9 square cube I will get it here, plus here you see children 9 2 times. And this is whole square means 9 square. In this 1 9 I have already taken it out. So you have only 1 9. So 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27 q square plus this 9 has already gone out. So 3 into 1, 3q. So this whole thing will come under bracket and 1. So you will write it as, how will you write it children? This is nothing but 9m plus 1. This whole thing becomes m. So what is m children? M is equal to 9 square q cube. So on. Whatever you have written, this all you write it here. This is m value. So I hope I'm clear children with this problem. Up to r is equal to 0 and r is equal to 1 I have done. Okay. Copy this. So here when r is equal to 1, what I have got children? R is equal to 1. What I have got? A cube is equal to 9m plus 1 I got. So copy it. Now let us see the next part. What is the next part? The next part here, if r is equal to 2, r is equal to 2, a is equal to 9q plus 2, a cube is equal to 9q plus 2 whole cube. It is 9q plus 2 whole cube. Again, a plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube children? A cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a b square plus b cube. So a cube plus 3a square b formula is there children, plus 3a b square plus 2 cube. So what you will write here? You will be doing it is, here is 9q whole cube plus 3 into, as it is I am writing children, because first I have to do this. Remaining as it is I am taking from this line, plus 2 cube means I have taken as 8. Now we have got in the problem 9 plus 1 or 9 plus 8. So we have got 8. So we need not bother. We can take 9 common in all this. When you take 9 as common, 9 into 9 square cube you are getting here. And here 9 square, out of 9 square, 1 9 has gone here, another 9 is there, 9 3s are, you can take 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are, 18 3s are how much children you will be getting? 54 q square, 18 3s are 54 q square you will be getting plus. Again, 2 2s are 4, 4 9s are 36. 36 into, 9 we have already taken here. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 cube. This 9 is out already. Plus 8. I am taking this as a group plus 8. So what am I getting this, children? 9m plus 8 I got. 9m plus 8, where m is equal to, what did I have taken? 9 square q cube plus 54 q square plus 12q. I have taken this as m value, so I got 9 1 plus 8. So if r is equal to 2, what did I get? R is equal to 2. I got a cube is equal to 9m plus 8. I got in this. Copy, children. This is a lengthy one. Board is not sufficient to do all the sum, total sum together. So bit by bit I am doing. Cooperate with me and please copy this. R is equal to 2. I have completed 0, 1, 2. Still I have to do all this. Okay, children. Next. We will go to the next part. R is equal to 3. What is going to happen? Now let us see. R value is 3. So if R is equal to 3, what am I getting? A is equal to 9q plus 3. A cube is equal to 9q plus 3 whole cube. That means a cube plus 3 into a square into b. I hope you are understanding, children. I am saying a, but I am writing something else. Because in the place of a, I have 9q. In the place of b, I am having 3. See, what I am doing is, you just observe, children. I am saying whatever, what I am saying is, I am saying the formula. But I am writing the values given in the problem. If you do like that, there won't be any mistake, children. So develop this kind of habit of substituting the values for in a formula. So a cube plus 3 into a square b plus 3 into a into b square plus b cube. This is the expansion we have done. This means what, children? 9q whole cube. Next step will be same, I said. As it is, you copy this one from the first line. 9 cube into 3 square. Why are we doing so? Because we want expansion of this. 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. Now, see, children, 27 can be, means you get 27 in 9 table. 9 3s are 27. So, I can take this whole thing as one group. If I take all these things as one group, I can take 9 as common and this becomes 9 square q cube plus. Here one 9 has already gone. I have got only one more 9. 9 into 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81 q square plus. Here 9 has already gone. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27q plus. See, 27, 9 I have already taken. 9 3s are 27. 3. So what did I get, children? 9m. Where m is equal to, what you will be written? 9 square q cube plus 81 q square plus 27q plus 3. So when I have got r value, third, fourth one, I'll write it here, children. R is equal to 3. I got a cube is equal to 9m. I have got. R is equal to 3. A cube is equal to 9m. I have got it here, children. So I hope you have followed this. Please copy it. That is, each one I will do because if you cannot see, it's a waste of doing. So now let us see the next part. R is equal to 4. When R is equal to 4. R is equal to 4. A is equal to 9 cube plus 4. So what is A cube? 9 cube plus 4 whole cube. 9 cube plus 4 whole cube means what are you getting? A plus B whole cube. A plus B whole cube, you will be writing it as A cube plus 3 into A square B plus 3A B square plus B cube. Now again 9 cube plus 3 into 9q square into 4 plus 3 into 9q into 4 square. As it is, I am writing to expand it. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are, you have got 64. So when you have got 64, what you have to do here, children? Remember one thing. Either you should get in the problem, you should get 9m or 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Now, this last one, till now, we could do it very easily. But here you see, children, from now onwards, what you should think is, this last one, 27 already we have got it, it is very easy, so we did it. Now see this last one, 64. Is 64 divisible by 9? That means in ninth table, do you get 64? No. 9 5s are 45. Okay. Then 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. That means this 64, I can divide it into 63 plus 1. Are you understanding, children? What am I doing? I am manipulating this. I am using this number according to my convenience so that I can keep it in ninth group, so that I can take it out that number, and what is left behind, I'll take it as a separate value. So we are allowed to do with 9m either plus 1 or plus 8. Other number we are not supposed to get. So I can take 9 as common here and I can say, but I am getting 64. I am not allowed for it. The problem is asking me to do either 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So I need to get here either 1 or 8. But I did not get 1 or 8. I have got 64. So I have to make myself clear about bifurcating this value. 64, I have to bifurcate in such a way that either I will get 1 at the end or I will get 8 at the end. So I should think about the table of 9. We know that 9 7s are 63 and 1 will be left behind. So I can leave that 1 here. So what will I write, children, here? This can be written as 9q whole cube plus 3 into 9q square into 4 plus 3 into 9q into 4 square, then 63 plus 1, children. 63 plus 1 if I do, in all these cases, I can take 9 out. So that I'll get 9 square q cube plus, in this 1 9 has already gone, another 9 is there, 9 into 4 threes are 12, 12 9s are 108 q square plus 1 9 has already taken it here, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48 q plus 63, 63 means what you will write, children? 9 7s are 63. 7 plus 1 So you can consider it as 9m plus 1, where m is equal to 9 square q cube plus 108 q square plus 48q plus 7. So we have got the fifth one. R is equal to, what is R is equal to 4. We have got a cube is equal to 9m plus 1. So I hope I am clear here, children. Your task is only this part. Remaining as it is you can do. Only this part. What you have to do, whatever part you have got it here, first thing, whether it comes in ninth table. 27 we got it in ninth table. So total 27 we have taken it in the bracket. But now we are getting 64. 64 in ninth table, 9 7 the 63 we are not getting. So out 63 and 1 is left behind, and we have the means we have the capacity, or we are asked to do as 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So I can very well divide 64 as 63 plus 1. So that is what I have divided there, children. I hope you have understood. Copy it. Now we go to the next part, that is R is equal to 5. R is equal to 4 I have done. Now let me see. R is equal to 5. R is equal to 5 means what you will be getting, children? A is equal to 9 cube. 9 cube plus 5. What is a cube, children? 9 cube plus 5 whole cube. So there is nothing but a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square plus b cube. Okay, so this is what they have asked. We have got it. So let us write this once again. 9q cube plus 3 into 9q square into 5 plus 3 into 9q into 5 square plus 125. So see, children, you have got 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Now, what did I say? See whether 125 you are getting in ninth table. That means you can take 125 and divide it by 9. 9 ones are 9. 3, 5. You are not getting. So, directly 125 you cannot take. Now, go for either 1 you should get or 8 you should get. That means you subtract first 1 in this. So, you are getting 124. Now, try with 9. 9 ones are, you will be getting 9 ones are 9. So, 34. Are we getting? No, you cannot continue. So, even 1 will not do. So, what you have to do? Go for 8. Subtract 8. So, when you are subtracting 8 from it, how much you will be getting, children? 7. And here 2 has gone 1, 1. So, let us see whether you can divide it by 9. 9 ones are 9. 2, 7. 9 threes are 27, 0. So, you have got it like this. So, what we need to do, children? You have to bifurcate 125 as 117 and 8. I hope you have understood, children. 125, how you have to do? You should check like this. What did I do? 125, I tried with 9. I know that I cannot cancel it. I don't get remainder 0. So, I have the right to take either 1 out of 125 or 8 out of 125. So I tried by taking 1 out of 125. 124 also is not possible with ninth table. So I have taken 8. When I have taken out 8, I have got 117. 117 is cancelled by ninth table. So I have to bifurcate 125 as 117 plus 8. So I hope you have understood, children. So 125 will be taken as 117 plus 8. So you will be writing it as 9q whole cube plus 3 into 9q square, 3a square b plus 3ab square plus how much you will be writing? 125 as 117 plus 8. So I hope you have understood this part, children. Now, what I should do? These all I should take as 9 as common. How much you are getting? 9 square q cube plus 1 9 has already gone. Then 5 3s are 15 and 15 9s are how much, children? 9 5s are 45. 9 135 you will be getting. 15 9s are you are getting it as 135 q square plus this 9 has already gone. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75 q plus this I have got 9 1s are 9 3s are plus 8. So I can write it as 9m plus 8. So in this case, what is m? M is 9 square q cube plus 135 q square plus 75 q plus 13. So sixth one, r is equal to 5. I got a cube plus 9. A cube is equal to 9m plus 8 I got. So I hope I am clear, children. Please copy this. Now I will be doing with r is equal to 6. If r is equal to 6. R is equal to 6. A is equal to 9 cube plus 6. So what is A cube? 9 cube plus 6 whole cube. A cube plus 3 into A square into B plus 3 A B square plus 6 cube. So 9 cube plus 3 into 9q square into 6 plus 3 into 9q into 6 square plus 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18, 21, 216 you are getting. So again, children, like what we have done previously, now our task is 216. 216, can you divide it by 9? Let us see. 9 2s are 18. How much you are getting, children? 3. 36. 36 means 9 4s are 36. 0 you are getting. That means what? 216 can be divisible by 9. So I will take 216 as it is. 209 24s are. So let me take it like this. So 9q cube plus 3 into 9q square into 6 plus 3 into 9q into 6 square plus 216. What I got, children? 24. That's all. 24. And I this whole thing First I will write 216 only, children. Here I should take this whole thing as a 9 as common, no? So when I take 9 as common, 9, here 9 square cube plus 1 9 has gone. So 3 6 are 18. 18 9 jar. How much is 18 9 jar, children? 18 9 8 jar 72 you will be getting. 162 you will be getting. 162 q square plus here 9 has gone here. This is 9q, children. 9 has gone here already. So we have to multiply 6 6 are 36 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 9 1 10. 108 q plus 24. So this is what, children? This is 9m, where m is equal to 9 square q cube plus 162 q square plus 108 q plus 24. So this value you are taking it as m. So when sixth one, when r is equal to 6, I got a cube is equal to 9m. Okay, children? Here the division, the problem is here only, whether it is divisible by 9 or not. If you see, you can know how to divide it. So please copy it. Now we go to r as 7. R is equal to 7. A is equal to 9q plus 7. A cube is equal to 9q plus 7 whole cube. A cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. So 9 cube whole cube plus 3 into 9q whole square into 7 plus 3 into 9q into 7 square plus 7 7 are 49 into 7 63 28 34 343 is the value you got. Now again the same thing. Let us take 343 divided by 9. 9 2s are 9 3s are 27. You have got 7 3. You are not going to get this. So what you have to do, children? First you subtract 1. That means you take 342 and then go for 9. 9 3s are 27 and 72. 8 9s are 72, no, children? 8 9s are 72 or 9 8s are 72. So 9 8s are 72, you are getting 0. That means 343 can be bifurcated as 342 plus 1. I hope you have understood, children. I must do it as 342 plus 1. So let me take it like this. So 9 q cube plus 3 into 9q square into 7 plus 3 into 9q, 3 into 9q into 7 square plus 343 will be written as 342 plus 1. So in this 9 is common, 9 square q cube plus here 1 9 has gone. 7 3s are 21 into 9. 9 1s are 9 2s are 18. 189 q square you will be getting. Next. Here this 9 has already gone. 7 7s are 49 into 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 4s are 12 to 14. So how much you will be getting? 147. So 147q plus 342. 9 3s are 27 and 9 8s are 72. Already I have done this division, children. Plus 1. This is nothing but 9m plus 1. So where m is equal to 9 square q cube plus 189 q square plus 147 q plus 38. So seventh one, r is equal to 7, a cube is equal to 9m plus 1 we got. A cube as 9m plus 1 we got. Now, copy this, children. We have the last one, 8th one. We'll be doing that. R is equal to 8. This, sorry, R is equal to 7, up to 7 only, no? So we have already completed 7. He has asked, the problem is dealing with, if R is equal to, we have taken 9 means we have got R is equal, B is equal to 9 means we have to take 8 also, no? 0, 1, 2, 3, R is less than B means you should write about 8 also. So, if R is equal to 8, then A is equal to 9 cube plus 8. A cube is equal to 9 cube plus 8 whole cube. So 9 cube plus 8 whole cube, a cube plus 3 into a square b, that is 8, plus 3 into a b square plus b cube. Okay, children, a b square into b cube. So how will you do this? 9q cube, same as it is. I am writing 9q square, 9q whole square into 8 plus 3 into 9q into 8 square plus 8 8s are 64 into 8. 8 4s are 32, 8 7s are, 8 6s are, how much? 48, 50, 512 we are getting. Now again the task is with 512. Whether 512 can be divided by 9. 9 5s are 45, 6 2. 9 7s are 63. You cannot do it. So we cannot do it. So subtract 1 from 5 1 2. Minus 1. We are getting 1 1 1 5. So go for 9. 9 5s are 45, 61. So definitely this also is not possible. Now we are subtracting 8. We are restricted with 1 and 8 only, children. That is why I am doing it like this. So we are getting 4 here, 0 here and 5. 504. So when you do it with 9, 9 5s are 45, 54, 9 6 are 54, 0. So what I can do, children? I can take 512 and I can bifurcate it as 5, 0, 4 and 8. If I add it, I am getting 512 and I can divide it also. I hope you have understood this, children. 512 I have bifurcated as 500, 504 and 8, and how it has to be done also I have explained. So let me continue with the problem. So what you have to do? 9 cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square plus 512. How did I say? It should be divided into 504 plus 8. So in all these things, you can get 9 as common. 9 square cube plus, here 1 9 has gone, 8 3s are 24 into 9, 36, 18, 216. So 216 q square plus 9 has gone, 8 8 are 64 into 3, 3 4s are 12, 16, 18 plus 1, 19. 192 q plus 9 5s are 45, 5 9 6 are 54 plus 8. So you have got it as 9m plus 8, where m is equal to 9 square cube plus 216 q square plus 192 q plus 56. So the eighth one, r is equal to 8, means you are getting a cube is equal to 9m plus 8. So please copy this, children, and I hope I am clear with this problem, children. R is equal to, R values will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. I forgot to write earlier, so I have written now. So up to 8 you have got. So you have to solve this in this way. Your task only, children. Formula, if you know very well, you can use it. The last one, bifurcation only, is your problem. That if you have followed me, what I have said, if you have understood, that will also be easy. You take that, divide it by 9. If you have divided by 9, if it is get cancelled, totally you take it inside. Otherwise, subtract 1 and see whether it is divisible by 9. If it is divisible, take 1 out and remaining you take inside. If it is not, go for 8. Definitely either 1 or 8 will occur for you because the problem itself is this. I hope you have understood, children. Now, let us conclude the problem. See, children, the problem itself, we have got, if r is equal to 0, we got a is equal to, a cube is equal to 9m. If r is equal to 1, we have got a cube is equal to 9m plus 1. If r is equal to 2, we have got a cube is equal to 9m plus 8. If r is equal to 3, what you have got? A cube is equal to, r is equal to 3, a cube is equal to 9m. Now, if r is equal to 4, we have got a cube as 9m plus 1. If r is equal to 5, we have got a cube as 9m plus 8. If r is equal to 6, we have got a cube as 9m. Now, if r is equal to 7, we have got a cube as 9m plus 1. If r is equal to 8, we have got a cube as 9m plus 8. So see children, these are the answers which we have got in this problem. So under any circumstances, we have proved that. Therefore, what you have proved that a cube is equal to either 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. We have proved this problem in this way, children. I hope you have understood. I am going to conclude it here because it is such a lengthy problem. It took a long time, even previous one also. Next one I will be doing in the next class. Children, when I am doing the conclusion part, by mistake I have written if r is equal to 8, a cube is equal to 9m plus 1 children. It is not 1, that is 8. I have underlined. Please note that. It is 9m plus 1. I said 9m plus 8, but I have written 9m plus 1. So I am correcting myself. If r is equal to 8, a cube is equal to 9m plus 8. Please note the difference, children. Note the correction. Please bear with me. Thank you.